The inner flange works with the nut to secure the grinding disc to your grinder. It has a 10mm non-threaded hole, a recess milled in it that engages with the spindle, and a 5/8 hub to accept standard 4-inch grinding wheels. Over time, the hub can wear, causing the grinder wheel to wobble. Replacing the inner flange is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the lock nut from the spindle. I'll press the lock pin to lock the grinder's spindle. Now I'll use the spanner wrench to remove the lock nut. Now I can remove the grinding wheel and the inner flange. Now I can install the new inner flange. I'll install it so the 5/8 hub is pointing out, and I'll align the notch with the tab on the spindle. Now I can reinstall the wheel and secure it with the nut. I install the nut so the flange is down towards the wheel. Again, I'll lock out the spindle and tighten the nut. And that's how easy it is to replace the inner flange on your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.